Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by preparing your VPN credentials and the VPN profile. This is essential because the Xiaomi built-in options are limited. Once you have the account details, open Play Store and install OpenVPN Connect. Make sure your phone is charged and on a reliable Wi-Fi so downloads and imports won't fail. After installation, grant storage permission so you can import the VPN file. This step lets the app read the profile and avoids permission errors later. You now import the VPN profile into OpenVPN Connect. Tap the import button and locate the file on your device. Once imported, fill in the username and password from your VPN provider and verify the authentication method matches the profile. Mismatch causes failed handshakes. Make adjustments to DNS or cipher only if your provider instructs you. Once configured, enable Auto Reconnect or Connect on Demand to keep the VPN active when apps start, and test a manual connect to confirm the tunnel establishes. You finish by tapping Connect and watching the OpenVPN status indicator. Once it shows connected, verify your IP and location with a trusted online check to confirm traffic routes through the VPN. If it fails, switch servers or change protocol in the profile. Sometimes TCP versus UDP resolves flaky connections. If problems persist, restart your Xiaomi, clear app cache, or reinstall OpenVPN. One key troubleshooting tip. If DNS leaks occur, enable the app's DNS settings or use private DNS in MIUI.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.